guys, welcome to Let's Dude. Exam time is near. Hope you are active with your preparation. To add to that, here we are with yet another interesting session. Today we are going to address the most requested topic, that is social studies paper presentation. Learning social studies is fun and interesting as it includes incidences or events that are happening or have happened around us. It majorly covers the four components: history, geography, civics, and economics. Here is the unit-wise split. Please carefully look at the marks weightage. Paper presentation does play an important role as it helps in smartly organizing our subject knowledge in front of our examiner, also making it easier for them to check the paper. A neat paper, legible handwriting, and appropriate answers all blended together helps showcase the best in us. Please be careful while filling all the information on the first page. Don't fill them in a hurry. Check the answer booklet and prefer drawing a very narrow margin in the right corner. It is optional though. Now, without wasting any further time, let's quickly see the general paper pattern and marking scheme. We normally get 80 marks written paper containing 27 questions. Here is the split. Now, something which bothers many of us is how much to write according to the marks. For a 1-mark question, try to be very precise and answer directly to the point. But for questions like this, don't just write only the answer, but frame it in a statement format. For analytical questions, where we are asked to analyze a particular statement, in most cases possible, try to be positive about the statement. Don't elaborate too much on a particular answer. Be very specific. Now, for short answers, the ones asked for 3 marks should be of this length, approximately around 10 to 15 lines. Try answering them point-wise, one after the other. Answering point-wise make a big difference, like how you can see here. Which one would you prefer? For questions which have internal options, choose to write the answer which you know better and the one that requires lesser time. Long answers could be of 18 to 20 lines approximately, that is 120 words. Try to justify the answer in the given word limit, answering them point-wise. Now, if the question says, write a note on non-cooperation movement, then include all the relevant points like what was it, when did it happen, the probable reasons why it happened, who led it, what were the outcomes. Try to include everything in short. Even while studying, do it in the same manner. Learn everything related to that possible event. Okay? If there are questions like difference between, then we have to write it this way in 2 different columns with their respective points of differences. For questions that asks you to justify the given statement, then first rewrite the statement and add "this is because" and mention the respective points below. Map questions are to be carefully remembered and plotted. We'll be getting just one map, so write the question numbers properly, plus don't forget to mention your seat number. Okay. If the features have been already marked in the question, then you have to label the spot correctly and name the place as well. In the next set of questions, the spots won't be marked. We have to mark the spots and label them. So, you may use certain symbols to label them and give a key at this corner saying what each symbol indicates. Or, you may directly label them at that place. Both the methods are correct. Friends, most students find these math questions difficult. What we would suggest you is to analyze analyze all the previous year question papers, irrespective of whether the paper pattern has changed. Learn to plot them. We have also given a few set of questions that could be probably asked for plotting. You may download it from the link given in the description. Again, while tying the map, don't tie it at the end, as there is a chance of it getting torn and misplaced. Just place it inside the book and tie it. These were some paper presentation tips. Now, while studying the subject, don't just learn answers by heart. Connect it with some events and try to learn them logically. Study one topic completely in a way you could answer any question